up, YouTube phenomenons? This is my first episode on Gimp tutorials, and first thing I would do is show you guys how to do a beam effect around your text. A lot of people have been searching that up, looking around how to do that effect, and even though there's quite a few tutorials on that, I say the hell with that. Might as well make my own, right? Easy as that. So first step is open a file, and let's say make a new file. You can make it any size. I'm just going to do it 600 by 400, so that way you can guys see it. And there it is. Okay, first thing you got to do is mess around with your background. If you want it white, black, or any other color, just put the color on it. This is your color selections. You select them here. You can click on it, select the color, whatever, and then go there. So I choose black. After that, go to your text selection here. Make a text. Well, first select your color for the text. I choose white. And then click, and then add whatever you want to write. I'm just going to put my gamer tag so you guys can see it. Okay. After that, well, also you can change the font right here. There's also fonts you can download on thefont.com or any other website. Just Google it or go on YouTube. You can find a lot of that shit. Okay. After that, get out of that, close that. Go to your alignment tool, located right here. Click on this and make sure you center it. Just like that. After that, go to layers. Layer to image size. Make sure the layer is actually the image boundary. So then, after that, you're going to make a new layer. Make sure this was a transparent layer. Here it is, right there. Transparency. Then click OK. OK on that thing. After that, go create a path tool. No, wait. First, check your brush. Always make sure your brush is on one of these, a little circle one. Either a big one or small one, depending how big you want it or how small you want it. Kind of dirty. Anyways, after that, make sure you have the new layer selected. You can also name it, just so you know what you're doing. Name it beam, and press enter. And after you have that selected, go to your path tool, and you can start. You just click anywhere, and this should make a curve. So after you, I usually prefer clicking on the end. That way, the effect of the beam comes from the edges of the background. So click there, and click anywhere else, and then just bend it. If you keep going straight, like through the text, it'll make a perfect bend. All you gotta do is just keep it in like in a line. That'll keep it in proportion. Just bend again. There. And there. Even though it's not quite symmetrical and even, it's just an example. Show you guys how to do it. So after you have that set up, you go to your edit, stroke path. Make sure you got stroke with the paint tool selected. Usually it's on stroke line, but you don't need that. You need this one, stroke path, and then click stroke. So see, now you got a white line on the outline of the path. After that, you go to, let's say you want to make it look neon looking, trying to make it all retro look. Go to alpha to logo on filters, and go to neon. And it opens the script through neon selection tab. You can put any kind of size of the effect. I use 25, 15, depending how big. Background, don't worry about that. Glow color, let's go with red. Or let's go with white. See how that looks. Grayish. There we go. Okay. After that, click OK. Let it render. There you have it. You have a neon beam. And then on your channels, you got a second background. You don't need that. All you gotta do is right click, go to delete layer. There you go. takes it off. Then click on the very top one, neon tubes. Click right click. Then go to merge down. That way it'll make it into one layer. You have to mess with that no more. Second, go to your zoom tool. Make sure it's on zoom in. And zoom in to whatever preferred area you want to work on and focus. And get your eraser tool. Get whatever size you need to get this effect. Now you gotta just erase this part right here. Or any other part. I mean, it's your choice. If you mess up, all you gotta do is just erase. Or Control Z to delete. And there we go. Make it look like it's going in the back of the letter. This one, same thing. You're trying to get that effect that the wave is going around the whole text. Well, majority of the text, since I don't have the whole thing covered up. And then it's an effect like it goes under the loop and through it. You even know what I'm really saying. There you go. You got that there. I like this one. I'm just going to keep that one that way. So then, zoom out to your normal perspective. And there you go. See, it's going right through here. Then goes through the bottom, the back, to the front. And it kind of loops inside and goes out. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And if you need any help, send me a comment or message. If you like the video, you can also like on the bottom. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and I will have more videos up and help you guys out with this. Thank you.